Hey, how you doing there, people? Too Tall here. Another update on the p60. I got her all tore apart. Here is the cylinder. All in all, the inside of the cylinder looks to be in pretty good shape. I don't know how good of a look you're going to get here from the camera. This will clean up pretty good, I'm thinking. Probably hit the ball hole on it just real gently a couple times. Getting some reflection there. Anyway, I'm getting ready to do a little grinding on this. I'm gonna find something to point with. So I'm gonna open these transfers up, probably about there, both sides. Drop the exhaust roof a little bit and widen it up. Just taking some measurements with my little, with this, just to get, my base reference. So this is where my exhaust diameter is currently. Cylinder diameter 70% would be 39.9. So I just ran it down to 39. So that's what I'm going to shoot for in exhaust port width. And I'll probably go about 2 millimeters on the roof, and then I can throw things on the back on the chassis of the saw and see where I'm at with a degree wheel from that point. But that's more or less going to be my starting point. So I had mentioned that I was going to have to helicoil this thing, the spark plug hole. Well, long story short, that went wrong. So there you get a look at the insert that I made, and I'm hoping that that works. I don't know at this point if it was a good or bad idea to use brass, but we will find out. And if that goes south, I can always take that out, providing I can get it out without fouling out the new threads, which is doubtful because I use JB Weld to seat that thing in there. But I have room. I could always over drill that yet again and insert a steel insert. So I used a plug, just a 3/8 pipe plug. So I just drilled and tapped the cylinder using a 3/8 NPT tap. Drilled the plug and used the helicoil plug tapper is what I used. So anyway, that's that. Time will tell how that's going to work out. So yeah, I'll get grinding on this thing, and then I'll have to once this is done, then I'll have to transfer this to the cases, and then grind the cases. In which case I'll employ an old tactic. Use some Play-Doh. You can use a lot of different things. Play-Doh works good, and usually have Play-Doh running around the house because of the kiddos. But you can use various clays, modeling clay, whatnot. Let's see, I think I got some Play-Doh right here from the last time. This stuff's cheap. Get it at Walmart in a big old package. You know, several of these. I think the last time I used this was when I was trenching the cases on the Homelight Super XL 925. So works pretty slick. You ain't got to worry about splitting the saw in half. So keeps the shavings out of the bottom end. So anyway, that's all I got on that for now. I will tune back in when I got more to show you. Y'all take care.